Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all.
Namaste, sir.
Namaste. Namaste, everyone. Come on, join in quick. Come on, everyone. Keep your video on. Dishita, Falak, Aditya Nair, Harshvi, Dhyani. Come on. Keep your video on. Harshvi. Yes, good. Better. That is much better. Yes, everyone. Come on. Yes, good morning, everyone. Come on. You have got 28 students in the class. That's good. Ananya, how are you? Yes. How are you? Ananya Mehta.
I'm fine.
Good. That's better. Very good. Very good. Only 28 students. What about the rest? What about the rest? Paril, Khushi, keep your video on. Ayush. Come on. Very good. Very good. Jinesha, Tanmay, Dhyani. Come on. Right? Everyone. Okay. Now, the last time when we were together, we had seen some multiplications. Yes, everyone remembers about multiplication, box method, and expansion method, lattice method also, right? Yes, come on. Yes, everyone. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen with you now. Before I start this, remember, you are not allowed to write anything on this board. Okay, कोई अभी कुछ लिखेगा नहीं. जब जब मैं आपको चांस दूंगा तभी आपको लिखना है. Okay, yes, everyone understood? Give me a thumbs up if you understood. Not like this. There is thumbs up like symbol on your Zoom also. Show me that so that I know that you know how to use the application. That's very good. So many students are showing it. Ananya, did you find it? I still am still waiting for you, right? There is a symbol of like thumbs up. Yes, so many students are doing it. That is correct. Okay, and if you have difficulty in using this part, you can talk to your friends, you can learn from your friends, है ना? लर्निंग के लिए जरूरी नहीं है कि स्कूल में ही हो. लर्निंग कैन बी एनीवेयर. यस, ध्रुव, right? Everyone, you can learn from your friends, you can learn from your parents, right? You can learn from on your own, है ना? You can search it on Google and find out where to find these symbols. Okay, yes. Now I'm going to share the screen. Okay, now this is my Jamboard. Okay, so this is a box method. In your notebook you have to write this down. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, now this is a simple multiplication of box method where you are multiplying 32 by 28. So 32 we have divided into we have expanded, right? It's not division, it's expanded. So 30 and 2, 20 and 8. Okay, so 30 into 20 is 600. 3 2s are 6 and 2 zeros you have to directly put. Okay, 22 is 40, that is easy part. Now 30 into 8, so that is again 8 3s are 24. Yes, and 0 in the back, so that is 240, and 2 8 is 16. So you have to add this all together, which becomes 840 plus 56, which again you have to add 840 plus 56. The answer will be 896. Easy, you can do it. Copy it down quickly. Come on, finish it up. Finish it up. Come on. Okay, done. Going to the next one. Box method everybody knows now, right? So we are going to the next one, where we are using the expansion method of multiplication, right? Expansion method of multiplication. Again, 328 multiplied by 6. So what did I do with 328? I expanded it into 300 plus 20 plus 8 multiplied by 6. Okay, this 6 is then multiplied with 300. So 300 into 6. This 6 again into 20, that is 26 and 8 6. This is something which you already have discussed, right? Yes, Ayush, bolo beta, you want to say something?
सर पहले वाला जो बॉक्स मेथड था ना वो मेरा रह गया है।
बेटा आपको आता है ना बॉक्स मेथड? हाँ, तो फिर क्या जरूरत है, आप खुद से कर सकते हो। यू आर अ स्मार्ट वन, है ना, फटाफट कर सकते हो, राइट? ओके, सो इन दिस एक्सपेंशन मेथड आल्सो, right, 300 into 6, which is easy. 3 6 are 18 and 2 zeros at the back, easily put, you can put. Yes, 26 are 120 and 8 6 are 48. You add all these three and you get answer as 1968. Okay, yes, understood? Did everyone understand this part? Okay, right? You don't need to write this one, you have already done this type of examples. Okay, yes, everyone clear? Yes, everyone clear? Show me the thumbs up again, one more. No, not like this, not like this. Yes, that's better. Use the technology. Come on, Siddhi. Yes, very good. Nirva, find out where it is. Harshvi, come on, find it out. Come on. Yes, give me a thumbs up, everyone. Using the computer. Yes, no, not like that. No, using the computer only, reaction, right? Like this. You can see it now. Yes, that's what you have to do. Okay, all right. Now we are going to do the next part of this chapter, which is reading the textbook. Now this part we have already done. Yes, okay, okay. So question. Now the question is, sir, my expansion method is incomplete. Khushi, it's okay, beta. You know how to do expansion method multiplication. You can do it later on, right? You can do it on your own. This is easy, right? We have done so many examples of multiplication and division. You can do this, right? So question is, what is the most difficult thing in your maths book? Now this will be different for all students, है ना? सबके लिए अलग अलग होगा. जैसे आयुष को तो सब कुछ आसान लगता है. For Ayush, everything is easy, right? And for someone like me, everything is difficult in maths, right? I got everything. Khushi says I have doubt. Okay, that then we will solve the doubt later on. You can see the video later on, है ना? Recording आप देख सकते हो बेटा. Okay, you can see the recording later on. I am going to post it. Okay. Now, what is the most difficult thing in your maths book? That answer you have to write. So most difficult thing for you, for me, I find it that everything is easy. I can say that, right? But that is for me. For you, it will be different. So you can write your own answer, right? Okay. Yes, you can write your own answer. What do you think is the easiest lesson? Easiest lesson was addition for me, right? For you, it may be multiplication. Okay. That answer you have to write. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this all you have to read this part. So my mother worked as a servant in some houses and everything you have to read on your own. Sir, everything is easy. Very good, Siddhi. Okay. Now we are going to ask people and find out the cost of cup of tea. Okay. So at a tea stall, right? चाय की दुकान पर, राइट? चाय की दुकान होती है, चाय की रेकड़ी होती है, नारी बोलते हैं हम, है ना? So that at that place, what is the price of 1 cup of tea? That you have to write. The answer may be rupees, whatever you find out. You have to ask your parents. Okay, this question you have to write by finding from your parents. And at a hotel, what will be the answer? That you have to write. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, next one. If a person who runs a tea stall earns rupees 30 in a day. Now, this type of example also we have done. 30 in a day. How much will he earn in 10 days? So, day and rupees. In one day, he earns 30 rupees. Okay. So, in 10 days, how much? Come on, type in your answer in chat box. Rishiraj Solanki is saying whole subject is difficult for me. Come on, Rishiraj. This is very easy. Type your answer. Type your answer here in the chat box. Come on, everyone. Yes, very good. All you have to do is cross multiplication. 30 into 10 divided by 1. Why did we divide? Because this will come down and this will go up. Okay, so 30 by 10 divided by 1. What will be the answer? 300. Khushi, 30 into 10 is 300 divided by 1. It's not by 2. Okay, yes, right? All right, now next question. Next question is, next question is, and in a month. Now, how many days are there in a month? That is the bigger question. Bigger question is, how many days are there in a month? Now, when it comes to maths calculation, we always take a month to be 30 days, right? We know that in some months there are different days. Say, for example, in April, June, September, they all have 30 days. Months like January, March, May, July, August, October and December, they have 31 days, and February has 28 or 29 days, है ना? So it will be different for different months. But when it comes to maths, when we talk about math and a month is to be asked, we took it to be 30 days. So again question, and in a month, so in a day, in one day he earns rupees 30. So for 30 days, how much? That you have to find out. Okay, that you have to find out. All right, you can do this. Very good. Okay, now yes, that is correct answer. 900. Rishiraj, 30 into 30 is 900 beta. 30 into 30, all you have to do is 3 threes are 9 and then put number of zeros 1 2, that's it. Okay, yes. So you have to be very careful while writing the answers. Okay, okay, very good. Now going on to the next part. Now Kiran, right? Kiran is starting a new shop. I thought I should open a bangle shop or a tailor shop, but my uncle said that we could learn a lot by opening a junk shop. Okay, what is a junk shop, right? What is a junk shop? That is kabadi wala, right? That means all your last year's notebook, all the newspaper. Whom do you sell? You sell it to the raddi wala, है ना? You send it to the raddi people, right? So those people, they will purchase all this junk. They will even buy and they will even purchase old electronic items, computers, plastics. Okay, it's okay, Rishirachi. There is nothing to be sorry about it. It's fine. You are doing just fine. Okay, and you will learn. You will become very good at maths. Okay, I'll make sure of it. You will become very good at maths. Okay, now, now. So in 2001, my mother-in-law and I opened a junk shop. So they opened a jump shop. Okay, oh, sorry, where did it go? Yeah, we took a loan of rupees 8,000. Now, what is a loan? Okay, that is a question. What is a loan? Yes, Kavari Valley, that is correct. Yes. Okay. So, what is a loan? That I have to explain to you. Yeah. Okay. Right. So, loan is, what is a loan? Right. When you borrow, right, money or object, right, money or object or cloth, right, anything, that is called as borrowing. Yes, what is a loan, sir? That's what I'm explaining, Nirva. Pay attention. When you borrow from someone, then that means called as loan. Okay, that is called as loan, right? That is, you are asking for something which you don't have, right, which you don't have. Okay, say for example, you are in a classroom and you don't have a pencil with you. You don't have a pencil with you. Okay, right? Who makes such mistakes all the time? Okay, say for example, I am taking two names, Nirva. Okay, now Nirva doesn't have a pencil. Okay, so what does she do? She asks Nilraj. She asks Nilraj that, Neil, can you please give me one pencil? Okay, so that when Neil agrees to give the pencil to Nirva, that means Nirva has taken a loan. What has she taken? What has she taken? Speak up loudly. Loan, है ना? थोड़ा सा लो, थोड़ा सा खींचना है. Loan, है ना? Okay, right? So she has taken a loan. Okay, she didn't have and she asked for help. That is loan. Okay. Yes, Siddhi, you have a question.
सर अगर नीरवा ने नीरज से तो मांगा पर नीरज के पास नहीं होगा तो
नहीं देगा, है ना? कोई और से लेंगे. ओके, ओके. नाउ सो अभी वो लोन तो समझ में आ गया कि यू हैव टू बोरो, है ना? जैसे हम सब्ट्रैक्शन में बोरो करते हैं. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज दैट वंस यू टेक द लोन यू मस्ट रिटर्न इट, है ना? आपको रिटर्न भी तो करना पड़ेगा. लेकिन जब लेकिन now what happens is, नीरवा ने कितनी पेंसिल ली थी? 1. yes, नीरवा took 1 pencil. लेकिन नीलराज बोलेगा, है ना, नीलराज बोलेगा कि कल मैंने जब तुम्हें जरूरत थी, when you were in need, I gave you 1 pencil. Okay, now you have to give me 2 pencils. You have to give me 2 pencils. Okay, that is called as interest. Okay, right, that is called as interest. The other pencil, जो दूसरी पेंसिल ज्यादा देनी पड़ी ना, वो होगी निर्वाह का इंटरेस्ट. ओके, सो right, so that is, let's go to junk seller again. Here another interesting word is interest. Okay, so that means you have to provide extra. Yes, okay, okay, yes, everyone understood? Abhi socho, abhi now in terms of money, in terms of money. Okay, कि फलक, अभी फलक के पास 5 रुपीज था. ओके, लेकिन चॉकलेट खरीदने के लिए 15 रुपए चाहिए. She wants to buy a chocolate and there is 15 rupees. She doesn't have 15, she has only 5 rupees. Okay, so she goes to Ayush and Ayush tells her, Falak asks Ayush that, Ayush, can you give me 10 rupees? I want to purchase a chocolate. So Ayush says, fine, I will give you. Right? So Ayush gives her 10 rupees. So Falak buys the chocolate. Just when she is about to open the chocolate, right? Just when she is about to open the chocolate, okay? Dirg comes, okay? And Dirg says, hey Falak, I want that chocolate. So Falak thinks, you know what? I will give him this chocolate. Okay? Falak says, I will give him this chocolate and I'll make some money. Okay? So what she says, you want the chocolate, but it is for 20 rupees. It is for 20 rupees. Right? So what happens now is, Falak gives the chocolate to Dirk and Dirk pays 20 rupees. Yes? Right? How many rupees did Falak have? 15. Yes? And how much she has now? 20. Okay? So how many rupees did she get extra? Yes, very good. Jai, Anshul. Yes, Vaishnavi, very good. Correct answer. That is correct answer. That is 5 rupees. Okay? That is 5 rupees. Falak is saying that I have got 5 extra. Yes? Right? She had 15. She purchased the chocolate for 15. Yes? And she sold it for 20 rupees. So how many rupees she has extra now? 5 rupees. Yes? Okay? Right? Everyone understood this? Right? Rishiraj, इतना समझ में आ गया? है ना? इतना तो समझ में आ गया? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up. Yes. No, not this way. Show me the thumbs up in screen. Yes, on the screen. On the screen. Come on. Using the symbol. Using the symbol. Use the symbol. Come on, everyone. Use the symbol. Everyone. Everyone. Yes, Paril. I don't see your video. Keep your video on, beta. Yes. Yes, come on, everyone. Jinai, keep your video on. Ananya. Ananya Mehta, keep your video on. Tanmay. Everyone, keep your video on. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the class. Come on. Jinai Shah, keep your video on. Otherwise, I will remove you from the class. This is the last chance. Keep your video on. I'm asking you to start the video. Come on, Jinai. Yes, that's better. Keep your video on. Ananya, also keep your video on. Okay. So that 5 rupees extra, that is 5 rupees extra. That is called as your profit. What it is? It is called your profit. Okay. Yes. What is it called? It is your profit. Say it. Profit. Profit. Yes. That is your profit. So that's how the business is run. That you make small monies on things. Okay. So this lady, what is her name? Kiran. What is her name? Kiran. So she takes a loan. Now I want you to ask your parents, right? I want you to ask your parents, have you taken a loan, right? Maybe you didn't have money for buying a car, but then father took it. So that means he has borrowed the money from bank and he has to pay it back. So that is loan. Okay, so ask this question to your parents, papa, मम्मी, दोनों से पूछना है ना, कि what is a loan? Okay, and हमने किसके लिए ली थी? For what? Did we take the loan for home? Did we take the loan for car? Did we take the loan for my education? कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. How much was the loan taken? है ना, right? So this will come in some rupees. कोई बड़ा सा नंबर होगा, वो नंबर आपको लिखना है. And how much money was paid back? तो आपने कितना रुपया रिटर्न किया है? That is a question. Okay, this is return. Okay, right? So this is the question here. I have taken a loan of rupees 300 from a bank for 6 months. I will pay rupees 51 every month to the bank. 51 rupees every month for 6 months. How many it will be? How much will it be? Yes, Nirva, you have a question. Okay, hold on. So you have to do 51 into 6. Give me the answer. 51 into 6. into 6. Come on, type it in the chat box. Type it into the chat box. Come on. निर्वा अनम्यूट करो और पूछो क्वेश्चन क्या है. Yes, Nirva, what is your question?
और I have watched a movie. तो इसमें जगह के लिए भी लोन लेते हैं ना?
हाँ करते हैं, करेक्ट. Yes,
जगह खरीदने के लिए.
Yes, that is true. That is true. Okay. Now, yes, correct answer is 306. Haria pays how much? Haria pays 306. And Babu has to pay how much? Rupees 300 plus 360. So who has paid more? Who has paid more? Babu or Haria? Type the answer. Who has paid more? Babu or Haria? Come on. Yes, correct answer is Babu. Babu has to pay more. That is correct. Very good. Okay, that is correct. So which loan is better, where you have to pay more or less? Which loan is better, where you have to pay more or less? Come on. No, which loan is better, where you have to pay more or less? Less, correct answer. Yes, we have to pay less. That is the correct answer. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay, now see, this is called as Kabadiwala, where she is living and she has a rickshaw where she is selling the goods. Okay, now she has 9 rickshaw of her own. She has 9 rickshaw. Okay, and for one rickshaw she gets rupees 20 per day when she gives it on Sunday, right? On Sunday she gives it, right, on rent for 20 rupees a day. Sorry, she gives it on rent every day for 20 rupees a day. So day is 1, rupees is 20. So for 9 rickshaw, sorry, not day. This is going to be a rickshaw, right? This is 1 rickshaw. Okay, okay, for 1 rickshaw she gets 20 rupees. So for 9 rickshaw, how much? Come on, you do the math. 180. Tanmay, only one answer beta. right? Only answer only once. Yes. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. Okay, this is some parent calling. Okay, now pay attention. So correct answer will be yes, 180. That is correct answer, right? She will get 180 rupees. This is the answer that you have to write it down. Okay, yes, yes, everyone understood so far? This is simple multiplications. You can do it by mental math also. You remember I had asked you to do multiple mental math questions, है ना? मम्मी पापा से पूछते रहो अचानक ही, मम्मी पापा से बोलो कि गिव मी मेंटल मैथ क्वेश्चंस, है ना? टीवी देखते हो तब मम्मी पापा से बोल के रखो कि आस्क मी सडनली मेंटल मैथ क्वेश्चन. What is 8 9s are? What is 12 4s are? That kind of questions should come. Okay, and you should be able to answer them all the time. Yes, everyone understood? Yes, everyone? Very good. All right, then that's it for the day. Everyone has understood so far? Yes, Nirva wants to say something again. Nirva, where are you? Nirva. Where is Nirva? I need to find you. Nirva, okay, there you are. Unmute करो बेटा अपने आप को. Unmute yourself. करो unmute. Yes, ask to unmute. हाँ बोलो. Yes बेटा.
सर मैं हर रोज मेरे पापा को बोलती हूँ अलग अलग मेथड के हर रोज अलग अलग सम लिख के दो.
Very good, very good.
और
Good
हर
job.
बार वो राइट पढ़ते हैं सारे के सारे.
That's very good. That's very good. Anshul wants to say something. बोलो अंशुल. बोलो. Yes. Speak up. Unmute करो और बोलो. Yes.
मैम मुझे कुछ बोलना नहीं है.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yes. Falak wants to say something. Yes, Falak.
सर मैंने अपनी मम्मी के फोन में एक मैक्स का एक ऐप डाउनलोड करा है.
Good job. That is very good. Yes, that is very good. Okay. Anyone else? Dirg wants to say something. Yes, Dirg.
सर टेबल्स.
Tables. Yes, you should be doing this tables. है ना? अभी तो क्या है कि ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में हमें नंबर ऑफ पीरियड्स कम मिल रहे हैं, तो वी विल हैव टू फोकस मोर ऑन लर्निंग. जय दर्जी, व्हाट इज इन योर माउथ? टेक केयर बेटा, डोंट पुट एनी ऑब्जेक्ट इन योर माउथ डायरेक्टली, है ना? यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. ओके. तन्मय वांट्स टू से समथिंग. वेयर इज तन्मय? Where is Tanmay? I don't see Tanmay. Okay, hold on. Tanmay. Yes, Tanmay. Unmute yourself. Yes, speak up. बोलो.
सर मैंने भी मेरे टैबलेट में एक गेम डाउनलोड किया है उसमें मैंने स्टिक मेथड सीखी है.
Good, very good, very good. बोलो बेटा.
सर
हाँ.
मेरी मम्मी के मोबाइल में एक ऐसा ऐप है जिसमें सारे टेबल्स पूछते हैं.
Good.
और मैं हर रोज.
Very good. Good job. Yes, Ayush. बोलो. अनम्यूट करो.
सर जब लॉकडाउन चल रहा था ना तब मैंने 20 तक टेबल कर भी लिए.
Good job. Okay. That's very good. Okay, friends, that's it for the day. I'm signing out. Bye bye.